How to care for sedge grass. Sedge grass is an ornamental grass available in so many varieties that sedge grass can be planted in nearly any growing conditions. They grow in USDA hardiness zones 4 to 10 and will live in moist, dry and flooded conditions. Shade, partial shade and full sun are tolerated, depending on the variety. Use sedge grass in borders, rock gardens and to fill in space in shady conditions. Things you'll need: fertilizer, pruning shears. Plant sedge grass according to the needs of the individual variety. They vary from full sun to full shade. Berggrenia likes moist conditions and partial sun. Flacca is tolerant of sun and shade and spreads quickly, whereas a variety like digitata clumps together, usually in shady areas. The majority of sedge varieties prefer moist conditions, some even tolerate flooding. Apply nitrogen and potassium fertilizer in the spring according to the manufacturer's instructions. Organic sources of nitrogen include fish emulsion, well-rotted manure and compost. Potash is an organic sources of potassium. Cut away the previous year's foliage each spring to encourage new growth.